Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about the updated market of crypto, what happened with crypto in the last week, and the things that I've told you and what really market reacted off of, and the news that came out this week and everything. So make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and let's go straight into today's video. So I'm going to set my time frame on the daily. So let's start with Bitcoin dominance. So this was last week. So we were here. We are still trading in this bullish pennant, but I hope we broke below this 60% zone, because if we don't close below this 60% zone, we are still going to do some shit like this for more fucking time that we should do. So if we broke down, close below this trend line, and then retest, maybe we can target this next target, which is going to be at 54%. So I really want to see that happening, and there's something that I'm aware of is this pattern, and I really don't want to see price continue break into the upside, because if it breaks to the upside, then we're still going to do something like this, probably do something like this for the fucking next month or two. So I really hope that we break below that line, so can the Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit and we see our altcoins start pumping. So with that, we can go to the USD dominance, which did pretty shitty or pretty well. I can't decide. We are still trading in this downtrend, overall downtrend. Alright, so last week we were at this doji candle, and I've told you this is a beautiful retest, beautiful rejection. And yes, Trump did a tweet about doing a crypto strategic reserve for the US economy, I think on XRP, Cardano, Solana, that, and Ethereum and Bitcoin. I hope I didn't forget anything. So with that, we got a fucking humongous candle to the downside, but that was just manipulation in the market, and we retest this resistance, the area that turned into a support, and then we rejection of it once again. And then we kept consolidating, but on the 7th of March, the Trump administration did a crypto summit that covers crypto, and he invited a lot of important persons to the summit, to the crypto summit. So what is that bullish for me? Yes, I'm going to say it. Yes, it is bullish for me, but for the long term, because on the short term we don't really have anything. Trump did not buy more Bitcoin, but it will. The United States of America has said that it's going to buy more Bitcoin, but it doesn't have the right to sell their Bitcoin, but they're going to be only buying Bitcoin, never selling it. And that's literally fucking bullish on me, especially with their 200,000 Bitcoin in their holding, and they're not going to sell it, so they're only going to buy. We can see the US holds 1 million Bitcoin. It can happen easily in those 4 years with Trump administration, and with that, literally bull run is going to happen. So what is going to happen with USDT dominance in those days? Probably it's going to keep consolidating and then maybe break into the downside, retest, and then start dropping to the downside and retesting those supports and taking the liquidity out. But we are not seeing that bullishness in the short term, so we might do a little consolidation, then do a manipulation to the upside, and then grabbing liquidity and then keeping on the downside. So that might happen. Alright, so next is going to be Bitcoin chart, which actually pretty good. It did pretty well. We are still trading in this consolidation phase of the bullish pennant. It is a bullish pattern, especially with its target. If we close above the 92,000 or 94,000, around that area, if we close above the $94,000, we can see Bitcoin goes up easily to $130,000 or $132,000. So with that, the Bitcoin did a great grab of liquidity right here. We grabbed liquidity very good, and then we rejected the break structure, then continued, retested this overall downtrend resistance, and it did a rejection, retest another time this major support, and then kept consolidating, and it's probably going to keep on consolidating until we broke and close above this area, or broke and close below this area. And that what is, I'm not like that. If this scenario happened, we are so fucked in the short term. But on the long term, if you're planning to hold for 5 years, then you're good. But I'm still bullish on crypto. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still bullish on altcoins. I'm not bearish. I really think that it's going to be an alt season. It's going to happen, especially with all people saying that it's not going to be, which makes me more bullish, because whenever everyone started panicking, that's where you should buy. That's an advice, take it from me, but I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want. I'm just a dumbass in the internet. So, and Ethereum is also still trading in this overall downtrend, and we are still holding this this support level that held from us for since 2023. Resistance, no, it's already a support. So it is, I think, on the monthly or on the weekly. Yeah, it's a fucking retest of this fucking 7 months consolidation. I think it's a beautiful retest on the monthly. So we did that, boom, 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 break to the upside, retest, then now we should probably go up. And on if we close above this $2,700, we can easily retest and go back to 4,000, at least 4,000 or 3,700, either this area or this area. And with that, I really hope that we break to the upside and start making something good, because look at the news we had on this week. President Trump signs an executive order to officially create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. This is so fucking bullish that US economy is holding Bitcoin and creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve for themselves to accumulate more Bitcoin, as much Bitcoin as they can. And with that, Texas Senate has just passed the Bitcoin reserve bill. Texas plans to buy up to $500 million in Bitcoin every year. Like, this is, tell me this shit is not fucking bullish. Like, imagine every single year $500 million deposited in Bitcoin. Like, imagine how bullish that is. With that, the White House is fucking promoting for Bitcoin. It's saying that Bitcoin is the future. Bitcoin is the superpower of the world. The golden age of America has begun. Now the FOMO will be gone. And what I say by FOMO is, I'm not talking about retail traders. I am talking about countries, institutions, banks. They will all start FOMOing, and they'll start buying as much as they can, because they don't want to miss out on this opportunity that America has created, and they wanna make money. They just wanna make money. And with that, Trump in the crypto summit said America will follow the rule: never sell your Bitcoin. Listen to this.
Phrase that they have, I don't know if that's right. Hell no, it's right.
Hold on.
Every Bitcoin, America, from this day on, America will follow the rule that every Bitcoin knows very well: never sell your Bitcoin. That's a little phrase that they have. I don't know if that's right or not.
Now that is manipulation. I don't know if that's not right or not. He's saying it because maybe his lawyer said that, because um, he don't want to be a financial advisor because if he said anything and he gives a financial advice to anybody, and his advice went wrong, he will probably have some charges on him. So he said, I don't know about that, to protect himself. But he goddamn he knows well if that's good or not. He said it before he become the president: never sell your Bitcoin. So comment down in the comments, what do you think about that? And without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out.